Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I am very proud to show you this beautiful 1969 Dodge Charger. This is one beautiful car. This is a one-owner car. The gentleman's wife bought this car brand new in 1969. They kept it all these years and had the car completely restored 10 years ago, and it still looks great today. This thing is absolutely a beautiful car. Power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning, numbers matching 383 engine, automatic transmission. Just a beautiful car. BF Goodrich radial TA raised white letter tires. It does have American Racing torque thrust style wheels on it. That's the only thing I would say on this car. It's a personal preference probably. If I was going to keep the car, I'd probably put some Magnum 500s on it, but it looks great the way it is. So I guess the new owner can make that decision on what they want to do with it. But you want to talk about a beautiful Charger, here it is. Very, very nicely presented car. Very nicely painted underneath the hood. Retains the original exhaust manifolds. Like I say, it is a numbers matching car. Very, very nice car. Hood insulator. The chrome on this car is beautiful. The stainless, the bright work, all the glass, excellent shape. Vinyl tops, really nice. One thing I'll point out on this car is just check out all the gaps on this car. The trunk gaps, the door gaps, the fender gaps, the hood gaps. Just check out, see how nice this thing is. That ain't a speck or a chip, it's a fly flying around there. The doors open and shut, excellent. Sill plates, door jambs. New carpeting, new floor mats, dash is perfect. Buckets, console, package tray with your speakers, headliner, seat belts are up top there like they're supposed to be. Dome light works. Sun visors, door panels. Walk you around and show you this side. Show you inside the trunk too. The headlight doors open and shut just like they're supposed to. Even the clock works on the car. All the gauges work. 80,000 original miles. Radio works. Wipers work. I hate turning these things on, but I'll turn them on for you. They work. If you're looking for a Charger, don't look any further, because this car has everything you could ever want in a collector car, a muscle car. Turn the other signal on for you so you can see it works like it's supposed to. Just look down the sides of this car. The car is absolutely gorgeous. No bubbles or blisters in the bottom of the car that I see. The car sounds amazing. License plate light. Got a little bit of, couple little dirt spots there on the door panel. I need to wipe them off. This is one gorgeous car. Air conditioning blows cold. Really nothing to not like about this car. It goes down the road absolutely spectacular. Air conditioning is ice cold. Just one gorgeous automobile. Some extra keys inside there. Guess I could have left those keys in there and used this set of keys to open the trunk. Original tire pressure specifications there on the inside door. Trunk light works. Spare tire. Jack. Bunch of awards that this car has won over the years. The top 10, top 5, top 20. Just all kinds of stuff in here. There is some more awards in this box. This box here is full of paperwork on this car. A lot of original paperwork, original newspaper articles. There's just all kinds of stuff in here. Tell you all about this car. Just a whole box full of literature on this car. Miscellaneous Charger papers. There's the car when they were restoring it. That there is for, it's got some air shocks on the back of this car, so you can adjust that with that little control box there. It's got an extra fan belt over there. The guy said that when he went to the car shows or took this car out and drove it, he said he didn't want to be stalled or stranded out anywhere. You never know. You might need a belt sometime. So, say the chrome rear bumper is just as good as the front. All that stainless trim. All in great shape. Taillights. All the trim around the top. Just a gorgeous car. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kenyonauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. It's got one tiny little chip right there on the fender. You can kind of see that. Outside of that, I walked around this whole car and I don't see any chips, blisters, anything on the car. The paint is very, very nice. This is a very, very nice muscle car. Very hard to find car. These cars are doing nothing but going up in value every day. Look how nice that door shuts. The Chargers are one of the most iconic muscle cars of all time. Give us a call. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you never miss another great quality collector car from Kenyon Classics. Check out all the pictures on my website. Gorgeous car. Thanks, everybody. Talk to you soon.